Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling everything that proves the transaction: invoices, receipts, and any approvals. Once collected, identify the exact GL accounts and cost centers to use, because accuracy here prevents reconciling errors later. Make sure you note dates, currency, and exchange rates if the entry crosses currencies. This affects balances immediately. Then open your voucher form and enter header fields: voucher date, reference number, and preparer. This creates the audit trail you need before you post any line items. You now add the voucher line by line, starting with the primary debit entry, then offset with corresponding credits so the voucher totals to 0. Describe each line clearly, why the amount exists, and assign GL codes, departments, projects, and tax treatment to prevent misbostings. Once you enter amounts, double-check calculations and make sure debits equal credits. Attach scanned supporting documents to the voucher and link them to relevant lines, because auditors and approvers will want direct evidence tied to each charge. You finish by validating the voucher. Confirm all mandatory fields are complete, budget availability is checked, and debits equal credits. Once done, submit for the required approval chain and record approver names, dates, and any comments to preserve accountability. After approval, post the voucher to update the ledger and verify the journal impact on balances and reports. If something goes wrong, if totals mismatch, stop, trace the line items, and reopen the voucher to correct the specific GL allocations before reposting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.